Hi, Bianca. Good afternoon. A simple and clear message, but a tough one from Attorney General Pam Bondi. She says they will not waste time in pursuing legal action against the blue cities and blue states that are flying in the face of federal immigration enforcement efforts. So at the center of this legal claim is New York's 2019 law that was approved called the Green Light Law. Now, in that, a new system was approved that allows undocumented immigrants access to driver's licenses. Now, according to the 16-page filing, the problem here is it blocks ICE and CBP from accessing critical data. It could include photographs, real-time information about those illegal aliens. It also has a provision notifying those residents if federal authorities are requesting their information. Bondi says that is dangerous to the rule of law and those ongoing efforts. Now, here is a part of the filing that was made in Albany overnight. By intent and design, the Green Light Law is a frontal assault on the federal immigration laws and the federal authorities that administer them. More than that, the law has had dangerous consequences precisely because it has worked as intended. The Department of Justice also says here, New York's Green Light Law cannot stand. Those named in the lawsuit include Governor Kathy Hochul, State Attorney General Letitia James, and DMV Commissioner Mark Schroeder. Now, notably, New York City Mayor Eric Adams was not included in this filing, and I asked her to respond, Attorney General Pam Bondi, about how he was left out, what the interactions have been like to date with him, as well as Denver Mayor Mike Johnston. Take a listen.
I was also interested in hearing specifically what the interactions have been like with Mayor Adams. And I know he has a little bit of a different tone than some of the other Democrats out of the Empire State. And then also Denver Mayor Mike Johnston, because before the President Trump went back into office, he had issued some words about a potential standoff and then walked that back. So I was curious to see what things have been like out of New York City and Denver officials.
Yeah, well, we're hoping that in New York, Mayor Adams is going to cooperate with us with the sanctuary cities and the illegal aliens. And has the mayor in Colorado been cooperating? Do we know? I believe he might have now. Yeah, I believe Colorado is now cooperating. That's what we want. We don't want to sue you. We don't want to prosecute people. We want people to comply with the law.
Bondi says this is a new Department of Justice, a new era moving forward under the Trump administration. They're also moving forward with funding cuts, federal dollars that will not be flowing to some of these departments that are challenging their efforts. Bianca?
Fascinating to see the reaction as well, people standing down so they're not the target of it. Thanks, Alana. Great to have you with us today. Appreciate your time.